Happy birthday.
Thank you. Number 19. It's so cute. I don't want to ruin it by opening it. I'm a really bad card opener. It's like make a mess.
It's okay. They're meant to be ripped open. I'm really bad at opening envelopes too, so.
Oh, it's Barb.
I know. Isn't it so cute?
Barb deserves better.
I know.
Rest in peace, Barb. Oh my god. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna read it all right now.
That's the point. Wait, what kind did you get?
Cinnamon swirl.
Ooh, wait. What color do you want? And how many do you want?
I want. I don't know how many I want. That's a good amount.
I don't know. Pick
You
your
put
favorite.
your candles on your own cake normally?
I don't know. I can't see your face, but. You might get wax all over. I'm really good at this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rebecca. Happy birthday to you. Awesome. How is it so far? Out of 10. 9. I don't know what I'll say. I'm gonna say 7.5. Maybe 7.3. I don't know if it's 7.5.
I'm like so full.
Already?
I'm starving.
I'm gonna eat all of these probably.
Thank you. Why am I wanting?
In the end, 7.5.
In the end, we all win because I was trying to look inspirational. Fun.
Happy birthday again to Rebecca.
And my shot.
That's friendly.
Dog.
I miss Mickey. I miss my dog.
Is this the vlog? Can I be in the vlog?
Yeah, you can be in the vlog.
I'm in the vlog! I always wanted to say that. Gotta have fans. And
Happy birthday, Rebecca.
yay!
Leave a comment saying happy birthday, Rebecca, even though nobody comments on our video.
I'll comment on your video, but I won't say happy birthday to myself. Happy birthday to myself.
Happy birthday.
Bye.